Hey guys, it's Brian. I wanted to make a quick video. Um, I just talked to another person who is paying for Facebook Meta ads, and they were saying that for $1,750 they got 36 customers in a month. And that is so frustrating to me because they felt like they got a good deal. And then I had to do the math with them and say, okay, how long will it take you for those 36 customers to earn back the $1,750 you just spent to acquire them if they stick around? You know? So they wanted to know what I recommended in their case. Okay, so they had no competition and nobody really knows about the service. I don't even know why I'm typing this, just so you guys have something to read. Okay, so no competition, nobody really knows about the service. Their service area is about 10 square miles that they chose to cover. They've tried door-to-door before, but they said that it wasn't going very well. So here's what I recommend. If you're in an area with no competition, nobody's cleaning trash cans, and nobody really knows about the service, there is absolutely no reason why you should be spending money on social media to acquire customers. Okay, Google ads are not going to work, especially Google search ads, because nobody's actively looking for the service. Nobody knows it exists. Meta, in my opinion, through massive testing and massive spending, I have found, at least for me, that Meta just sends bots to click on your ads so they can take your money. So do not spend money on Facebook ads. Okay, unless somebody has some magical way of doing it, please tell me, because I would love to get back to using Facebook ads, because they used to work like 7 years ago. But here lately, it doesn't even matter what type of ad, they just take your money, and you never get quality leads, and you never get signups directly. Okay, so here's what I recommend. If you're in an area with no competition and nobody knows about the service, the only thing that you can do is door-to-door sales. Okay? Door-to-door sales. So, he was telling me that there was a lot of kickback. People weren't answering the door. If they did, they were pissed. They don't want to talk to you. I totally get that. Okay? So, there's two options. You can create door hangers and hang them on doors or trash cans. Have a really good looking door hanger that has a QR code. Like, it needs to say professional trash can cleaning service, and like a before and after picture and a QR code, and under the QR code you could say scan the code to see how our service works, and have a pre-recorded video on YouTube that the QR code will go to, but have that video on your website. Okay, so when they scan the QR code, it goes to the video on your website, and you can have it hosted at YouTube or whatever, Canva, it doesn't matter. But from the website, they can view the video, see how the service works, and then from there, they're already on your website. They can click to sign up, have a button below your QR code or below your video, sign up for service now, which will take them to the pricing page, and they can choose which service they want, whether you offer monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, annual, one-time, whatever, right? But so door hanger, before and after pictures, it needs to say in big bold letters, professional trash can cleaning service. Have your phone number, have your website on there too. QR code that says, see how our service works, scan the code, right? And then hang those door hangers on customers' doors. You can hang them on trash cans. That's if you want to spend the money on door hangers. They're a little bit more costly than what I use. I use stickers. Okay, so stickers. I order my stickers from Alibaba.com, and I place the stickers on trash cans. I drive around in my mini truck, and I slap stickers on lids while the cans are out waiting to be collected. on trash day. Okay, so all the lids are usually closed, and I put the sticker right on the lid, and I roll. And I can put out 400 to 600 stickers a day. Okay, so door hangers are stickers. They both do the same thing. You'll get more stickers for your money. Door hangers, though, a lot of people like to use those. You can hang them on door handles on houses, or you can hang them on the trash can handles themselves. You can also have like just a rectangular square flyer and attach it with a zip tie or, a little, I don't know, plastic loop thing on the handles too. I've seen people do that. But stickers are just faster. They're sticky, and you just pull half the perforated thing off the back, slap it on the lid, and you go on to the next one. You don't have to worry about hanging it or tying it or doing anything, and they're cheaper. So I prefer stickers. Okay, but have all that info. Professional trash can cleaning service. Matter of fact, I wonder if I can show you mine. I don't know if it'll work. Sorry. Import from file, desktop. There it is. There you go. So here's my sticker. It's a round sticker. Trash Can Cleaning Company. So my logo, dirty trash bins, clean your bins, services. Here's your discount code. Probably serving the entire East Valley. Website, phone number, before and after, QR code. So for me, my QR code just goes to my website, but I think it's smart, which I'm probably going to do in the future. QR code, you should have something like down here or wherever around the QR code. Scan the code to see how our service works, and then take them to the video, like I said. Okay? All right, so you've seen that. Back to this. Okay. Now, if you can, you want to hire a bunch of high school kids. You can canvas more area faster with multiple people. Okay, so if you're paying a high school kid $15, $20 an hour to go slap stickers on cans, they can walk up and down the street, use their car, whatever. Get the stickers on as many freaking trash cans as you can in your service area, and the rest will take care of itself. Okay, now these are not, at least for me in my area, these are more towards just helping people know the service exists. Okay, you're not going to put out 400 stickers and going to get 100 customers. It doesn't work that way. You are creating brand awareness and letting people know that the service is around. You will get calls. You will get people coming to your website to look. Sign-ups might be few and far between, but doing this and creating knowledge that your service is around is better than spending $1,750 on 36 customers that may or may not stick around, that you're going to have to do 2 to 3 cleanings for free to earn your money back. So if it's a quarterly customer, you're gonna service their can for 9 months before you're in the green to make your money back. So please, if no competition is around and nobody knows about your service, you cannot do online social media advertising. You can put videos out, you can join Facebook groups, and you can post videos in those groups, but don't pay a service. Don't pay, screw it, I'm going to name them. Bradley Robinson or Ashley Bissing. They're great people. They're knowledgeable about what they do. But I feel, this is my opinion, that they are taking people to the cleaners because their fee is what, $600-700 a month, and then the ad spend on top of that, you're going to spend another $1,000 a month on ad spend to get 30 customers. Listen, I know my situation is different. My entire area knows the service exists because I have 9 competitors in my area, and we're all advertising. So I spent $700 on Google search ads last month and got 174 customers. So yeah, I mean, if you do this right and you create, the knowledge that your service is around and people understand, then they start looking and they find you. You need to have your website squared away. If you need help with that, I have a guy. He's fantastic. Creates really good websites, and he's affordable. But you need to have a great website, and you need to do the groundwork, boots on the ground, putting stickers out, talking to people, handing out business cards, getting in person with people, going to fairs, school events. Get your brand known. The online advertising and paying on Meta is just such a waste of money. And I keep running into people, and people keep messaging me, asking me, what are you doing? Well, I'm sure as hell not paying Bradley or Ashley $600 a month to waste $1,000 or more a month of my ad spend to get me 30 customers. That's absolutely not what I'm doing. So just want to make this video so you guys just please. Yeah. There are proper ways and better ways to spend your money than I'll call it a shortcut. Hiring a professional, and I'm doing air quotes, but you can't see me. A professional, you're just putting money in their pocket, and it doesn't matter to them if they get you customers or not. And what's even more sad in my mind is they don't even get you customers that sign up. They just get you leads. So you still have to call those leads and try to close the sale. So to pay them $600 a month and then pay $1,000 plus a month for the ad spend to get a list of leads that may or may not be real people, may or may not be interested, and may or may not sign up for your service. Yeah. There's too many variables there and too many questionables for me, in my mind, to be willing to spend that kind of money for something that the results are dismal. Everyone I talk to who's using Ashley or Bradley, and again, I'm sure they're great people. They're just trying to make their money. They are offering a service, and they're not providing the service. They're just not providing really good results. And people, until they talk to somebody who knows what they're talking about, they think they're getting a good deal. And trust me, $1,750 for 36 customers is not a good deal. The last guy that I talked to spent almost $4,000 for 26 customers. It blows my mind, and honestly, it's infuriating because, somebody who's new in the business, they don't know what they're doing. They don't have any customers to pay for it. They're coming out of pocket. Maybe they took a second mortgage out on their house or a loan to get started. They bought all this expensive equipment, and now they're dropping $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month on Facebook ads to get freaking leads, not customers. Anyway, I'm going off on that. It's frustrating because you want to see people do well and you want to see people have success, and they struggle. Okay, so last thing, I've got a couple minutes left before this video is going to shut off. Pricing. You want to offer, simple monthly, quarterly, and one-time price. Okay. Now, what I do, I offer for one can. So my monthly price for one can is $15. Oops. Sorry, I want to make this to where it's legible. Okay. $15 for monthly, $25 for quarterly, and then $35 for one time. However, my one time is for up to 2 cans. This is 1 can, and quarterly is also 1 can, plus $10 for each additional. Okay, so, and this is plus 10 as well. Offer the single can at a lower price because a lot of people don't want to clean their recycle can or their yard waste can because they don't stink. If they properly utilize those cans, they don't have nasty, smelly, disgusting dog poop or vomit or whatever in the recycle or the other can, right? It's just the one trash can. So you can close deals at $15 for one trash can and still get that customer. And then if they want to add the second one, you can have an upsell at plus $10. Okay. Now I'm not saying you have to be 15, 25, 35. Okay. This is just what I'm doing. And 35 is just it's normally 50. I'm doing a sale right now, so it matches. It's 2 cans. It matches my quarterly. So quarterly 2 cans is also $35. And this has been working like gangbusters, so I'm going to leave it all summer. Okay, but you could do $20 a month for monthly for 1 can plus 10, $30 for quarterly for 1 can plus 10, and then $30 for one time or $40 for one time for up to 2 cans. The one times you can do 2 cans and it's the same price, $40 for one or $40 for two.